Hi, I'm Vid.
And I'm Mehul.
We made Debater, a platform to help high school debaters debate equally. Inequality in debate is extremely prevalent. Competitive debate is a great activity, but it gets dominated by elite private schools paying for large evidence files and hiring many coaches. This is why the LA Times says that the differences in resources, systemic representation, and support may be the single biggest barrier for students and trying to enter the activity. High school debate is so rewarding that barriers to entry should be fought against. In fact, among other statistics, the average of GPA students on a debate team is 3.75, and 90% of all debaters complete at least one graduate degree.
To solve this inequity, we created Debatr, a complete AI-powered speech and debate platform where we provide content and delivery feedback tailored to real debate formats, evidence cut cards, as well as progress tracking. For our tech stack, we use Next.js for both our front end and back end and style with Tailwind. We use several APIs as well as our own Flask microservice for audio processing. We use Supabase for our data and storage and deploy it on Vercel. When the user interacts with our practice UI, it sends the audio to our Supabase storage, where we make several calls to both our APIs as well as our audio processing pipeline, which provides content and audio feedback to the user.
Our custom audio pipeline is something that we built in-house, and it's where we take the audio input, clean and process it, and then process it with different low-level Python libraries like MFCC, which helps with slurring, pitch, and energy with the root mean squared analysis. These all go into custom temporal analysis, and we also use intonation metrics and then get clarity metrics from the MFCC, as well as aggregate raw metrics from all three of them, which then get combined into a singular scoring system, which is accessible to everyone, and then we output it back to the user. Our impact is open, equitable access to prep because AI can cut cards for the students, making the time go by a lot faster and bypassing the drawbacks of not having access to many coaches, as well as free on-demand coaching for speeches, as well as analytics and progress tracking to make a gamified system that's fun for everyone.
Now let's move on to the demo of the app. We have this beautiful, informative homepage with interactive UI elements like over here. Next, we move on to our sign up page, as well as our sign in. We have our dashboard, which takes us to our practice page. There's history. Right now, we're entering custom parameters for public forum debates just to make the AI output a lot more accurate and
We
tailored.
affirm resolve. The United States should ban the collection of personal data through biometric.
We just played a sample of the audio we're going to analyze. We get overall feedback, the 8 out of 10 there, as well as actionable elements over here. We have breakdowns as well as this audio feedback. We also have history of all of the speeches we do, stats with the analytics over here. Evidence search, we search up biometric data causes authoritarianism. We have all these search results. For each of these, we can generate an cut AI card, and we can copy it with formatting intact of highlighting of important points, stuff like that. Now we have a dashboard. It has overall stuff as well as progress.